Hi, I'm Corrie. I'm Dr. Matt's wife, and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about our hearts, literally. We're talking about 6 superfoods that you should incorporate into your diet to maximize your heart health. From berries bursting with antioxidants to leafy greens packed with vitamins. These superfoods are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for our cardiovascular system. So let's explore these heart-healthy superfoods and learn how you can easily incorporate them into your meals for a happier, healthier heart. Let's get started. First thing on our list, salmon. This cold water fish offers ample protein and is loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Up next, kale. Surpassing spinach in nutritional potency, kale reigns supreme as the vegetable kingdom's powerhouse. Its deep, vibrant hue originates from a plethora of phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals, including folate and iron. Number 3, oatmeal. Oats are wholesome, whole grains rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Blueberries rank among the most potent disease-fighting foods. Thanks to our high content of antioxidants, blueberries are abundant in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Walnuts and almonds. Almonds and walnuts are high in plant omega-3 fatty acids, as well as vitamin E, magnesium, folate, fiber, and heart-favorable mono and polyunsaturated fats. Flax seed, abundant in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. And there you have it, 6 superfoods to supercharge your health. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes to help you thrive as we support your nervous system.
As you know, heart-healthy foods are essential for a functioning, optimal central nervous system, which controls and regulates every aspect of your health. So when you're taking care of your heart with great food that Corrie just went over, which we're so excited to bring to you, you're taking care of your central nervous system that keeps you happy, healthy, and balanced. And at Reformed Family Chiropractic, we're here to help you every step of the way.